and CORD's candidate for the Makueni Senate seat, Kethi Kilonzo, and her Wiper party have moved to the High Court to stop the Makueni by-election as she fights to get herself back in the race. Kethi is challenging the IEBC Dispute Tribunal's ruling and wants the IEBC stopped from proceeding with all election preparations until the case is heard and determined. And as Kethi and Ogina reports, TNA have distanced themselves from Kethi's woes, demanding an apology over Kalonzo's remarks that suggested their involvement. Take a look.
She could be down but not out. Kethi Kilonzo has countered the IEBC tribunal's decision to lock her out of the Makueni Senate race on a Wiper ticket. Kethi's counsel, Julie Soweto, and Wiper party lawyers filed a suit against IEBC to stop the Makueni by-election until her case is heard and determined. The city lawyer fighting her candidature revocation and warding off claims that she is an unregistered voter. In the case filed before Justice Isaac Lenaola, Kethi wants IEBC compelled to suspend the official campaign period and any preparations for the Makueni by-elections, including printing and publishing of electoral materials. Kethi maintains she is a registered voter in Langata constituency of Nairobi, despite the ruling. The tribunal maintained that Kethi's voter registration acknowledgement slip is a stolen IEBC property and the matter has been referred to the Criminal Investigation Department. Kethi states nullification of her candidature infringed on her constitutional rights, claiming she was denied the right to fair hearing by an independent and impartial tribunal, and that she was already presumed guilty contrary to the rule of natural justice of innocent until proven guilty. Away from the courts, Jubilee Alliance senators slammed Wiper party leader and former Vice President Kalonzo Musyoka for claiming TNA was involved in deleting Kethi's name from the voters' register and are now demanding a formal apology.
This clearly shows that TNA is IEBC and IEBC is TNA. TNA must have tampered with the voter register, hence deleting Kethi's name.
It is the CORD coalition who owes the country an explanation of how documents, security documents of a sensitive nature, such as IEBC electoral materials, were stolen from the IEBC.
The Jubilee senators instead claim CORD bears the burden of proof over Kethi's alleged fraudulent voter slip.
Now we know who steals elections. It has come out in black and white, and they do not want even to accept when they lose.
Kethi Kilonzo became a victim of intimidation, harassment, coercion from within their own coalition in a desperate move to ensure that the CORD coalition win the Makueni elections.
Kethi's case begins Thursday. Already, IEBC has gazetted 4 candidates for the Makueni by-election. That is generating a lot of heat on the ground. As witnessed early today when a woman was roughed up by Kethi supporters for discrediting her eligibility. As Jubilee's candidate Philip Kaloki was booed in Salama. Ogina, KTN, Nairobi.